Noise on channels 3 and 4. Switching.
Confirm jamming. Keep tracking manually.
Motion, low altitude. Bearing 218.
Optical has them. Fast movers, 2, maybe 3.
All stations, drone swarm inbound. Load ready. Engage on my mark.
Weapons hot.
Mark!
Oh no, that's huge. That's not right. It just spiked. It's a wall of metal. What the hell did they open? Come on, hold it steady. Steady.
Target's weaving left. Keep him in the cone.
Copy. Adjusted. One's climbing high.
Hit confirmed. 1 down. 2 still active.
Tracking the runner. Firing.
Splash. They're breaking off.
3 missile away. Second one off the rail. Target's climbing, putting out flares. Lead seeker struggling. Still tracking. Flash right behind him. He's hit, but still flying.
Radar signals multiply. 30, 50 contacts flicker on the screen. Outside, the antenna spins in panic. They don't know it yet, but this is no glitch. Phones ring through Sevastopol's bunker. Maps glow green as officers confirm the anomaly. Within minutes, Crimea's chain of command braces for the unknown. Dawn fog lifts and the swarm emerges. Carbon fiber drones racing over the waves, sunlight flashing off their frames. Silent, precise, unstoppable.
Sirens wail. Anti-aircraft crews rush into position. Crimea braces for a threat it doesn't yet understand.
Track 217, accelerating, bearing 045.
Every radar in Crimea lights up. Hundreds of contacts, all too small and too fast.
New group southeast, 80 miles, Angels low. They're flooding the screen, I can't get a count.
Track 62 now confirmed hostile. Bearing 084.
Copy, pushing to intercept.
Every radar in Crimea lights up. Hundreds of contacts, all too small and too fast.
New group at 270. Altitude 45 meters, speed 980.
Can't get a lock, they're everywhere.
Within minutes, fighter jets roar skyward. Russia's best, ready for a ghost they can't see.
They fly below radar, hugging the sea surface like mechanical shadows.
A missile streaks through the dawn. One drone destroyed, a dozen more incoming.
And then, everything goes silent. The first defense layer is blind.
The drones exploit a radar weakness called the Doppler notch, slipping through detection entirely.
They're working. Missiles chase ghosts, reflections bouncing off the sea. How much?
Guns roar, beautiful, useless light patterns across the morning sky.
Russia's most advanced fighter dives in, trying to lock what it can't see.